Hello everyone. Today, as you can see, we are at Anchor app. How can you start your podcast using Anchor? Well, let me tell you. If you don't have an account, you have to click right here on the sign up button. But if you have an account, right here on sign it. If you click right here, you will have to fill an information like as your full name, your email, password, what's your date of birth, and you click that you're not a robot, and then you click on the sign up button. I have already created my account. As you can see right here is the dashboard, episodes, and money. Why money? Because you can set up the monetization, but we can do that later. Let me start right here creating a new episode. The great thing about Anchor is not only that it is easy to use, but it is also that have really great walkthrough here that it takes you through all of the steps as well. It can take you through the first couple of things and you don't even have to do all the steps. Which is the, well, for example, like the monetization, we can do that later. You don't have to do that initially, so you can get started. How can we get started? Well, by here from the library, you can choose from the files that you have on your computer or the message that you have. Right here we have the transitions, but we're not going to use this right now. We are going to record a new episode and I'm going to show you that it is really easy to do. You just have to click the record button and it will start recording your voice for your podcast. So you can start recording here and when it's ready, stop right here too. And then what you're going to do is your voice is uploading and when it's ready, what are you going to do is that you just have to drag it right over. This will upload. It just take a moment. It's already uploaded. So you just drag here. To start, let me show you this. You just have to click the record button and it will start recording your voice for your podcast. So you can start recording here and when it's ready, okay, this is the preview option that you can preview the length and how your audio is. You just save it and then you bring to different screen. You can add some music right here or you can add some transitions between videos. For example, we can use these music transitions and then we'll just click add to the episode. You just click on the right button and it will be right here in just a second. Okay, so now you have the transition and your voice recorder. And the only thing that you can say, you can continue working and when everything is done, you have to click on save episode. When you click there, you can add also photos, images, and then right here, you can describe. Right here is the title, and you can tutorial. Right here, you can describe your video. You can even go back to edit your audio or delete it if you don't like. You can save it as a draft, but let's see that we like it. You just click on next. And once you have everything that you want to create, you are ready to publish it. Right here, we are ready to publish our podcast. As easy as that. Thank you very much for your attention. See you next time.